Have you noticed that your legs don't feel as strong as they used to? Maybe getting up from a chair takes a little more effort. Maybe walking across a parking lot leaves you more tired than before. Or perhaps you've started feeling unsteady on your feet and worry about losing your balance. If any of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. For many adults over 60, leg weakness, poor balance, and low energy slowly become part of daily life. What starts as a small change can eventually make simple activities feel frustrating. Climbing stairs becomes harder. Long walks become shorter. Even enjoying time with family can feel more exhausting than it once did. And one of the most difficult parts is that many people are told these changes are simply a normal part of getting older. But here's the good news. Getting older does not automatically mean becoming weak. Yes, the body changes with age, but there is a big difference between aging and giving up strength. In fact, many older adults are surprised to learn that the body can still rebuild, recover, and become stronger when it receives the right support. Small daily habits can make a remarkable difference in how your muscles perform, how steady you feel on your feet, and how much energy you have throughout the day. One of those habits may be much simpler than you think. It doesn't require an expensive supplement, a complicated exercise program, or a drastic lifestyle change. It may start with something as simple as the tea you drink every day. Certain teas contain natural compounds that can help support circulation, reduce inflammation, improve recovery, and give aging muscles the nutrients and protection they need to stay stronger. And when it comes to maintaining healthy legs after 60, those benefits matter more than most people realize. Before we get into the 3 T's that may help support stronger muscles and better mobility, it's important to understand what's actually happening inside the body as we age. After the age of 60, many people begin to experience a gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, a condition known as sarcopenia. At the same time, blood circulation often becomes less efficient, inflammation can increase, and the body's ability to recover slows down. Together, these changes can leave the legs feeling weaker, heavier, and more fatigued than before. The encouraging news is that some natural ingredients may help address several of these challenges at the same time. And the 3 T's we're about to discuss have been valued for generations because of their ability to support strength, energy, recovery, and overall mobility. Let's start with the first one. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. The first tea on this list is ginger turmeric tea. It can be especially helpful for adults over 60 who notice weaker legs, less energy, or slower movement. This tea supports 2 common issues linked to muscle weakness with aging: poor circulation and chronic inflammation. Strong muscles need oxygen and nutrients, which are delivered through the bloodstream. As we age, blood vessels can become less flexible and circulation may slow down. When muscles do not get enough oxygen and nutrients, the legs can feel tired, heavy, or weak after standing or walking. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols that help support healthy blood flow. These compounds help blood vessels relax, allowing circulation to improve. Better circulation means muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, while waste products are removed more efficiently. Many older adults find that improved circulation can make everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or standing for longer periods feel easier. The second benefit comes from turmeric. As we age, chronic inflammation can quietly affect muscles, joints, and connective tissues. Over time, it may contribute to stiffness, soreness, slower recovery, and muscle loss. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. By helping reduce inflammation, curcumin may support muscle recovery, improve comfort during movement, and make it easier to stay active. What makes this tea special is the way ginger and turmeric work together. Ginger helps deliver oxygen and nutrients through better circulation, while turmeric helps create a healthier environment for recovery by calming inflammation. Together, they support healthy muscle function and movement. For even better results, add a small pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps the body absorb curcumin much more effectively. Like any healthy habit, results come with consistency. Drinking ginger turmeric tea regularly may help reduce stiffness, improve walking comfort, and support stronger daily movement. For adults over 60, these small improvements can help maintain independence, stay active, and enjoy everyday life with greater confidence. 2. Ginseng green tea. One of the most common complaints after age 60 is low energy. Many people feel tired even after a full night of sleep. A short walk may leave them exhausted, and daily activities often feel harder than they used to. This lack of energy can become a major reason why muscles grow weaker with age. When people feel tired, they move less, they walk less, exercise less, and spend more time sitting. Over time, this creates a cycle. Less movement leads to weaker muscles, and weaker muscles make movement even harder. For centuries, ginseng has been used to support energy, vitality, and physical performance. Modern research continues to study its benefits, especially for older adults who want to stay active and independent. One reason ginseng is valuable is its ability to help the body use oxygen more efficiently. Muscles need oxygen to produce energy for every movement. As we age, this process often becomes less effective, causing faster fatigue and slower recovery. Ginseng contains active compounds called ginsenosides that help support healthy mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the tiny power plants inside our cells that produce energy. As mitochondrial activity declines with age, stamina and physical performance often decline as well. By supporting these energy-producing systems, ginseng may help older adults feel less exhausted and better able to handle daily activities. Ginseng may also support mental energy and focus. This is important because staying active begins with motivation. When people feel mentally tired, they are less likely to exercise, socialize, or remain engaged in daily life. Better mental alertness can encourage more movement, which helps maintain strength, balance, and mobility. The benefits become even greater when ginseng is combined with green tea. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress can damage muscle cells and contribute to age-related weakness. These antioxidants help reduce that damage and support healthier muscles. Green tea also provides a gentle source of caffeine that can increase alertness without the strong crash that some people experience from coffee. In addition, it contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm focus. Together, caffeine and L-theanine create a feeling of relaxed alertness. This makes ginseng green tea an excellent choice for older adults. Ginseng supports energy production and stamina, while green tea provides antioxidants, gentle energy, and mental focus. Together, they help support an active lifestyle. While no tea works overnight, drinking ginseng green tea regularly may provide the steady energy and clarity needed to stay strong, mobile, and independent for years to come. 3. Ashwagandha root tea. When people think about weak legs after 60, they often blame aging, lack of exercise, or poor circulation. While those factors matter, there is another important cause that many people overlook: stress and poor sleep. If you are constantly stressed, sleeping badly, or waking up tired every morning, your muscles may never get the chance to fully recover. Think about how you feel after a bad night's sleep. Your body feels heavier, your energy is lower, and even simple tasks seem harder. Now imagine that happening for months or years. Over time, poor sleep can affect muscle strength, balance, and overall physical performance. Sleep is when much of the body's repair work takes place. During deep sleep, the body produces hormones that help repair tissues, support muscle recovery, and maintain physical function. Unfortunately, many adults over 60 struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling rested. When sleep quality declines, recovery becomes slower. Muscles may not repair themselves properly, energy levels drop, and strength gradually decreases. Chronic stress can make the problem even worse. When the body is under constant stress, it produces more cortisol, often called the stress hormone. While cortisol is useful in small amounts, high levels over long periods may contribute to muscle breakdown, slower recovery, lower energy, and reduced physical performance. Stress affects more than your mood. It can also affect how strong and capable your body feels every day. This is where ashwagandha root tea may help. Ashwagandha has been used for centuries and is known as an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps the body cope with stress and maintain balance. Instead of acting like a stimulant, it helps support the body's natural stress response. Researchers have studied ashwagandha because it may help regulate cortisol levels. When stress is better controlled, the body can focus more energy on healing, recovery, and maintaining muscle strength. This may be especially important for older adults who want to stay active and independent. Studies also suggest that ashwagandha may support muscle strength, physical performance, balance, and coordination. These benefits can help with everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, and getting out of a chair. Good balance is especially important because it can lower the risk of falls. Ashwagandha may also support the nervous system. Movement depends on communication between the brain, nerves, and muscles. Healthy nerve signals help improve stability and coordination, making movement feel more confident and controlled. Another reason many people enjoy ashwagandha is its calming effect. It may help promote relaxation and better sleep quality. Better sleep supports better recovery, and better recovery supports stronger muscles and improved balance. Over time, less stress can lead to better sleep can improve recovery, and improved recovery can help maintain strength and mobility. That is what makes ashwagandha root tea so valuable. While other teas support circulation and energy, ashwagandha supports recovery. Sometimes the key to stronger legs is not pushing harder, but helping your body rest and recover more effectively. As we wrap up, remember that stronger legs after 60 don't come from one miracle solution. They come from small daily habits that support your body over time. Ginger turmeric tea may help improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Ginseng green tea can support energy, stamina, and focus. Ashwagandha root tea may help with stress, sleep, and recovery. Together, these teas can support the systems that keep you moving, balanced, and independent. The key is consistency. While results won't happen overnight, healthy choices repeated day after day can lead to stronger muscles, better mobility, and greater confidence. No matter your age, your body can still respond to positive habits. Start small, stay patient, and keep moving forward. Watch our next video to discover more simple ways to stay active, strong, and independent after 60.